Hello or welcome back. Thank you for tuning in. I hope that you're having a fantastic day. And I know navigating through this turbulent market has been challenging, but hang in there. I mean, that's at least that's what I tell myself. Okay, but eventually investors will come back, whether it is slowly or aggressively. And yeah, they always do. They always do. Meanwhile, we're just gonna have to sit back and watch this portfolio bleed to death for now. I mean, we can attempt to hedge, dollar cost average, hold. Uh, I mean, I wouldn't even suggest to sell at a loss, but hey, whatever fits your circumstances is respected. Okay. The only thing is, I just don't give up. Okay, because we got to take this as a learning experience because that's how we develop the stock market wisdom. Okay, and that's how we develop, I guess, a better digestive system for us as well. Anyways, so topic of the day, we are gonna go through the results for the month of March doing options on Misty. And nothing extravagant really happened due to the fact that I'm completely relying on Misty share price movement, and I'm basically just waiting for a rally. Unfortunately, that has not happened. Misty has been trading sideways, so no opportunities were. I didn't get no opportunities to make any crazy moves. So for the meantime, my contracts are basically stagnant, but we were able to make a few dollars here and there. So I mean, no complaints, especially with this beautiful, lovely market of ours. Let's go to our history. Let's find it. Right now, as you can see, I have seven different contracts open at the moment. We got two put credit spreads, and the rest of them are just sell puts or cash secure puts, whichever one you want to call it. Okay. Now, I'm going to go to history, and basically, we're going to go to show all. Hit all types. You're just going to do the options, and I'm going to scroll down to March. Okay, so you might want to look away because I'm going to try to get there quick. Okay, and we are done. Here we go. Basically, this is what we got. 40. We were able to earn 25 there. We were able to earn another 150, and I believe that was it for the month of March. Oh, here, one more, $40. And I think, yeah, that would call it a day. Yes, it was a very, very interesting market. It's been super. I mean, we just experienced that nasty rug pull that we just saw right now. So the market has been very, very emotional, very politically driven. So all of those things, all of those factors are going to affect the market. We just gotta do what we have to do, react and adapt, like I always say. One of the reasons why I like to show this is basically to show you that I'm not really making these numbers up. This is basically a form of transparency. Okay. All right. So let's transport ourselves into my spreadsheet so that way we can take a detailed look at how we performed throughout the month of March. And I'll leave it at that. Okay. All right. Give me a moment. Okay, so here we are. Let's take it from the top. As you can see, we were able to generate a premium of $24.84 after commission fees by doing a put credit spread roll, and I believe that I rolled it down from I basically extended the roll. It's not expiring the 21st because otherwise that would expire, but I believe it expires next the end of this month, or who knows, maybe May. Okay, I forgot to write that down, but the point is that we actually made 24.84. Now these other sell puts, as you can see, they have no premium. That's basically because those are sell puts that are still active from last month. Now I believe that some of these are going to be expiring soon. Yeah, here they are. They're going to expire the 17, both of them. There's two of them, two sell puts with the same strike price at $21. Those two are going to expire on the 17th. Now, more than likely, because of how the market is performing, if we don't see no rally from MSTR, then more than likely I will be assigned on those two contracts. Now, I do have the option to roll it or to roll them, which basically that's what I'm going to attempt, but I'm not going to do it right now. Okay. Let's moving on. We have another sell put roll. It looks like I rolled that $26 strike price right over here, and I was able to receive $40. Now, it appears that I rolled, not only did I roll it out or extended the contract, but I was able to collect, not only to collect, but I'm sorry, but to bring my strike price down from 26 all the way to $25. Not bad. Alrighty, so now here, this one was a sell put. I don't know if it was just that I opened a new sell put, but I was able to generate $149. Not bad at all. Let's take a look at it. Okay, so it looks like I was able to either I opened that sell put and it expires on next month on the 9th. Okay, that's probably the reason why I was able to generate so much premium of that contract. Now, the other two, as you can see, no premiums were generated because those two contracts are still active. And I believe that they expire in July. Yeah, there they go. They expire in July. So basically, it looks like the reason why I did that was so that I wouldn't be assigned any of the shares or any of the contracts. Okay, because what can happen is we can get early assignment, and then I'm trying to avoid that as much as possible because I do not want to be paying interest on my margin. Basically, I'm utilizing margin to keep these contracts open. And as you may know or not, when you use margin for sell puts, they grab your collateral, but they don't charge you interest because technically you don't own the shares yet. Now, if I would have gotten assigned, then definitely they will apply the interest on margin on those 100 shares that I get assigned on. Okay, so that's the rationale behind that. I do not want to get assigned because I don't want to pay interest. Alrighty, so we were able to collect a total of $214 with 68 cents. Okay, not bad, not bad. I mean, yes, last month we did very, very good. However, I had said that we were going to be stagnant or relying on MSTY's share price to go up in order for us to make more premium this month. Unfortunately, that's not what happened. MSTY has been trading sideways, and today, as you can see, there was a nasty pullback. So, yeah, let's see what's going to happen for the remaining of the month. Hopefully, something good happens. I'm still whatever happens. If I need to roll, then I'm gonna roll out, and then hey, it is what it is. We'll collect a little bit of premium, and then we'll sit back and see what the heck the market is gonna how the market is gonna perform, right? Okay, so now that we have that out of the way, we got $214 that we are going to reinvest back into MSTY. Today is Tuesday. Tomorrow will be declaration date. Okay. You know what happens after declaration day? We're going to get the ex dividend date. And then on ex dividend day, that's when the NAV of MSTY suffers from NAV distribution erosion. Okay. I'm actually going to wait. I'm not going to buy the shares right now because I'm going to utilize not only the distribution that's going to be given to us on Friday, but I'm also going to utilize this income that I generated through options to dollar cost average Misty. Why? Well, take a look. Right now, Misty is super cheap. So and then we don't know how low it's going to go too, because now if it continues to decline plus the ex dividend day erosion, it's gonna be at a very very nice price to get it at. So I'm going to save that money into my buying power, and I'm going to wait. Now, once we find out the declaration date, we got some decisions to make, and I believe that I'm going to share those decisions with you maybe on my next video. Okay, that's going to wrap it up for today's video. I hope that you I don't know, gain something from it, or gain some sort of motivation to keep your uh, your portfolio intact and not sell off, or whatever fits your circumstances. I mean, it's been a hell of a market, to be honest with you. Um, all we can do is just, like I said, react and adapt, and take do some apply some strategies if you can, and just sit back and see what the heck happens. Right? That's what I'm going to do. So, anyways, I hope that this was beneficial to you in any way. If you know of anyone else that can benefit from this, please share. I thank you for your time. If you have any comments, leave them down below. Don't forget to like the video. If you have not subscribed yet, please do so. It would actually help me. It helps me a lot, so that way I can continue to make these videos. I also have some other videos that I want to post regarding the difference between stocks, investing in stocks and ETFs, as well as dividend investing. Okay, so stay tuned for that. I hope you have a fantastic day. And once again, a strategic investor out, checking out. Take care.